What if I told you that people with zero experience, zero degree, and zero money are making real income online right now, using nothing but free AI tools? This is not a theory, this is not a get-rich quick scheme. In this video, I am going to show you 5 real ways to make money using AI in 2026, starting from scratch with free tools. Stay until the end because way number 5 is the one most beginners completely ignore, and it is honestly the easiest one to start. Before we get into the ways to earn, let me explain why this moment is different. In the past, making money online required skills that took years to learn. Writing, designing, coding, video editing, these were barriers. AI removes all of those barriers today. You do not need to be a writer. AI writes for you. You do not need to be a designer. AI designs for you. You do not need to be a coder. AI codes for you. What you need is the knowledge of how to use these tools and the willingness to take action. That is it. And by the end of this video, you will have both. Way number 1. AI content writing. Every business in the world needs content. Blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, email newsletters. Most small businesses have no one to create this content, and they will pay someone to do it. That someone can be you. Here is how it works. A business pays you to write content for them. You use what you charge between $5 and $30 per piece of content, depending on the length. What you actually spend 10 to 15 minutes per piece. Let me show you how fast this is. Watch this. Done in 15 seconds. A business owner would pay $5 to $10 for exactly that. Where to find clients, Facebook groups for local businesses, WhatsApp business communities, or simply message small businesses on Instagram and offer them a free sample first. Start with one client, deliver great work, get a referral. This scales fast. Way number 2. AI graphic design. YouTube is growing massively in Pakistan and across the world. Every YouTuber needs thumbnails. Every business needs social media graphics. Most of them are not designers and they need help. With Canva AI, you can create professional thumbnails and graphics in under 5 minutes. No design experience needed at all. What you charge? $3 to $15 per thumbnail or graphic. Sounds small, but 10 thumbnails per day is $30 to $150. Let me show you how fast Canva AI works. Professional result in under 60 seconds. Where to find clients? Search YouTube for small creators with under 10,000 subscribers. Message them directly. Offer 3 free thumbnails to start. Once they see the quality, most will pay for more. This works. Thumbnails are something every creator needs every single week. Way number 3. Writing YouTube scripts using AI. Many YouTubers, especially faceless channels, do not write their own scripts. They outsource it and they pay well for good scripts because a good script means a good video means more views. You use ChatGPT to write the script, you review and improve it, you deliver it, what you charge. Watch how fast this works. A full professional script in under 30 seconds. A client would pay $15 to $30 for this. Where to find clients? Fiverr and Upwork both have huge demand for YouTube scriptwriters. Create a profile, add sample scripts you generated with AI, and start applying to jobs. The AI writes it, you deliver it. Simple. Way number 4. Social media management using AI. Small businesses need someone to manage their Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok pages. They need posts written, captions created, and content scheduled. Most business owners have no time for this. Normally, this job required a creative person who could write well and design. With AI, you can do all of this, even if you have no creative background. What you charge $50 to $200 per month per client to manage their social media pages. Get 3 clients and you have a consistent monthly income. Here is your workflow for each client. Once a week, you open ChatGPT and type their niche and business details. Ask it to generate 7 days of captions. Then use Canva AI to create the graphics. Schedule everything using Meta Business Suite, which is completely free. The whole week of content for one client takes about 2 hours, and you get paid every single month. This is the closest thing to passive income AI has created for beginners. And way number 5, the one most beginners completely ignore. Start a YouTube channel about AI exactly like this one. Think about it, AI is the most searched topic on YouTube right now. Millions of people want to learn how to use it. They are searching for beginner guides, tool comparisons, productivity tips, and you can create all of that content using AI. Use Canva AI for your thumbnails. Use CapCut for editing. Your whole channel can be built with free AI tools. How does this make money? Through YouTube AdSense. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Through sponsorships from AI tool companies, through affiliate links, recommending tools and earning commission when people sign up. I started exactly this way. The channel you are watching right now is built using the exact same tools I just showed you. This is the one most people ignore because it takes time, but it is also the one with the most long-term potential. Start today, post consistently, growth follows. So let's quickly recap the 5 ways to make money with AI in 2026. Way 1, AI content writing for businesses. Way 2, AI thumbnail and graphic design. Way 3, YouTube script writing. Way 4, social media management. And way 5, starting your own YouTube channel about AI. All 5 are free to start. All 5 are real. All 5 are working for beginners right now. Pick the one that feels most natural to you and start this week. Even one client, one script, one sale. It proves to you that this is real. If this video helped you, please subscribe. Every week I post honest, practical guides on using AI to learn, work smarter, and earn more. And if you want to go deeper, my next video covers the exact ChatGPT prompts that make all 5 of these methods work faster. Watch it next.